everyone, this is Shreya, your mentor and guide, and in this video I will be sharing some tips that are going to help you a lot in acing your science board examinations as a 10th grader. Before knowing anything, you are supposed to know that your science question paper is going to be mostly based on NCERTs only. Now the question here arises ki how you are going to read the NCERTs for that purpose. So you must have noticed those blue and orange boxes while reading the NCERTs that we usually ignore while reading, right? This is what you have to avoid. You have to reach each and every column, each and every line which is present in the NCERTs, because you will find them reading worth it when you will be writing your science answer sheet in the exam. Now for any additional purpose, for any additional practice, you can definitely go for NCERT exemplars only. That's more than enough. And at last, you are supposed to practice numericals for physics, focus on various kind of reactions and their examples for chemistry, and for biology, definitely don't forget diagrams, flowcharts and the text material. Thank you.